This problem is black to live. This is one of those patterns that you just have to know the answer to very quickly. The patterns vary, but when you see this pattern, you should only have two choices in mind, this and this. And after a quick calculation, you should be able to figure out the correct answer at the 2, 1 points right here. Now, if white plays here, trying to destroy this eye on the 1, 1 point, black simply connects here, guaranteeing an eye here and another one here. Please note that white cannot connect here because after black captures 3 white stones, this will still be a real eye guaranteed. So black will live this way. So playing number 1 here is really important. And this makes use of this black stone right here. Without this black stone on the outside, black is a dead shape. Now what if black tries other moves, right? This is obviously wrong because white can play here, and this is a classic dead shape. If black plays here, it's a similar pattern. If black plays here, right, this is where it's getting a little trickier. White will play here, destroying this eye. Black will capture number 2, and now white needs to be careful, right? If white plays this, then black will capture, and now there are 2 points that white needs to capture in order to kill black. So white will fail this way. So instead of playing here, white should play on the inside. Now black captures, this is still a false eye, and white can come in, and this is a corner bent 4 pattern that is a dead shape. If you are not familiar with this pattern, please check out lesson 209 in the Life and Death chapter on this channel. There I explain why this shape is a dead shape for black. So that is why black playing here as number 1 will not work. Lastly, if black plays here, then what should white play? Again, white needs to be careful. If white plays this, then again, there are 2 points where black can live and white will fail instantly. If white plays here, then black will play this. So once again, white will fail to capture black. So now the correct answer for white would be, again, the 2, 1 point right here. If black captures, then this is a rectangular 6, but with 2 white stones inside. This is a dead shape for black. If black plays here, then we are back to the corner bent 4 pattern in the previous variation. Therefore, black number 1 will be killed by white's number 2 here. So if you're white, you also need to be a little careful when you're sorting out all the variations here on the corner. So this is a pattern that you should be familiar with as you grow stronger as a player, and you should know that the only 2 viable choices is the 2-1 and the 2-2, but there is only one correct answer, and that is the 2-1 point in this scenario. Thank you for watching.